What's up, everybody? AngryJay from Darkness Descends here. We're launching our YouTube page, and I'm going to do a little segment called Angry Eats, because Angry likes to eat. It's St. Patrick's Day, so happy St. Patrick's Day to all you Irish people and everyone else that's celebrating. So today we're going to make AngryJay's famous corned beef and cabbage. So in order to get us started, we got our chopped onions, chopped nice and big, carrots, same thing. Whole bunch of whole cloves of garlic crushed to get the flavor out of them. You can't just make one piece of corned beef. We got 3 big ass slabs of corned beef, our pickling seasons, pickling spices, and of course, beer. Alright, on Angry Eats, it's go big or go home. We got our Guinness and our mega pot. I don't like to put my corned beef in water. I like to cook it in straight beer, maybe just a little bit of extra water. So we're going to get cracking with our Guinness draft. Oh yeah. We pour that in there. A little sippy sip. Oh yeah, cooking with beer. We're going to throw 12 of these bad boys in there. Maybe 11 and a half, because you got to have a little bit for the chef. Big old pot of beer. Now we're going to throw in our veggies. There's our garlic, whole cloves crushed up. Uh-oh, some on the floor. Those going in the garbage. Got our onions, chopped nice and big. Oh yeah, and our mega carrots. Now this all is going to go into the pot to give our corned beef some flavor. And then after our corned beef is cooked, we're going to pull all this crap out. And we're going to put fresh onions, carrots, and potatoes in. Alright, now we're going to throw in our pickling spice. It's going to give us our awesome corned beef flavor. Spah! Right in there. Some people like to use a little bit. Fuck that shit. Go big, go home. Wow! We got the off-brand. Splah! Alright, we got our corned beef. We're going to drop these bad boys into our mix here. And once again, we ain't making one. We're making 3 giant ones. I think we got about 15 pounds of corned beef here. Throw those in. And we're also going to throw in the juices from one of the bags. Not all of it, just a little, just to get some of that flavor in there. So, shkaplow, we're going to throw that in. And also make sure you look in your bag for these little packets of pickling spice. We're going to throw those in too, because why the hell not? All right, we got our meat, all our veggies, our seasonings and spices in here with our beer. We're going to give it a nice little stir. We're going to put this bad boy on medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 5 hours. Get nice and tender. And we'll see you then. Alright, it's 5 hours later. Let's give it a little extra time. Oh, and there's Rhea. Rhea, you want some food? That's what I thought. There's our corned beef. Dripping a little bit, you can get that. I'm going to take that out. Throw it into a little container on the side. Woo! And then we're going to drain the majority of these pickling spices and the vegetables that we put in for flavor over here in the sink. Oh, moving along. So very carefully put a strainer in the pot. And try not to lose too much of your broth here when you pour it in nice and easy. All right, we're going. All right, we got all our pickling spices drained out over here, and now we're gonna take our cabbage, our potatoes, crushed and diced garlic, onions, and baby carrots, and we're gonna throw it into our awesome beer broth. And then we are going to throw the meat on top to keep that all nice down and low. We're going to give it about 45 minutes to an hour to cook. And then it's going to be time to eat and get drunk. Yeah. Potatoes. Got some cabbage chopped big, some chopped small. Same with the onions. Do whatever the hell you want. Garlic. Alright, it's been a little over an hour. All our veggies and potatoes are cooked to perfection. Now we're going to pull out some of this corned beef. A little drink. Give a little chop. Oh yeah. Got a nice little hunker here. Slap her down on the cutting board. And now you want to see which way the grain of the meat goes. Cut against the grain. Nice big chunker here. Ho ho ho, look at that. It's a beautiful thing, ladies and gentlemen. Red hot and delicious. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. Corned beef and cabbage. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We're going to top that off with a little bit of our beer broth for good measure. And now it's time to get drunk, eat some corned beef and cabbage, and have some soda bread. All right, we'll see y'all soon. Don't forget to pick up our album, Another Fallen Soul, available 4/20/19. Amazon, iTunes, Spotify, all that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next episode of Angry Eats.